Welcome back to Wilderness Wanderers, the channel dedicated to everyone who loves hiking and the great outdoors.
Today we're spending the day at the Wildlands Conservancy, Montane Botanic Gardens, exploring and hiking. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb, I know somewhere that you and I we can stay.
Oak Glen is nestled close to the San Bernardino National Forest, just 20 minutes off the 10 freeway.
Sadly, once we got home, I had lost all of our GoPro footage somehow. Kevin kindly drove back up the mountain to get some great aerial footage.
We will rise up like giants stand tall. Mountains will move and towers will follow. Change is gonna come. Look straight ahead, my face towards the sun. We will get through.
Our first stop along the path of sunflowers was Hummingbird Hill, an interpretive trail for children and adults alike. It's a great, easy section filled with information on plants that attract hummingbirds and bees.
All information about the Wildlands Conservancy and the amazing conservation work they do will be in the description below.
It's gonna come. Change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Face the fire. We won't run. We will rise up like the sun. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Daylight will break. It won't be long. Soon there'll be hope. The darkness is gone. Oh, change is gonna come.
We continued up the path toward the Conifer Loop, where there were young but mighty redwoods and evidence of acorn woodpeckers.
The battle's been won. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come.
So that was the little offshoot for the Conifer Trail. It's really beautiful and there are so many different types of conifers in there. I was quite shocked to see how many different types there are. But now we're going to go down to the lake and the floating dock. It's really my favourite part of the Conservancy. Here we go.
Experience it all. Experience the feeling. See it all. I can see it.
Sadly, the floating dock was closed due to low water levels. However, you can still sit, relax, and meditate by the water's edge.
It all begins right now. It starts. I can see a world I've never known, and now I'm flying high into the sky above it all. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen.
It's supposed to be wild tarragon.
Does it not smell?
Yeah, it smells like something.
Tarragon?
You know, not really, no.
Experience it all.
Just like with any trail, what you pack in, you need to pack out. That way we keep all of our trails clean, guys.
I spread my wings and fly into a sea of blue and white.
We met this lovely family group again after giving them stickers earlier in the day. How often have you been up here?
Like once a month at least.
And what do you like most about it?
Adventure.
The adventure? You see, I like the floating dock. Do you guys like the floating dock?
Yeah.
Evan is currently chasing a butterfly to try and get it on video.
I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen.
We are
are thrilled to run into Kat and Kevin, their daughter.
Amanda.
Amanda.
I'm not on the YouTube normally.
Okay.
Are you from this area? Or are you visiting?
We live in the Palm Springs area.
Oh, I see. That's nice.
But we seldom get up this way.
Well, certainly a break from the heat from down there.
Yes, yes.
Come fly with me, come fly away, come fly with me, come fly away.
This boardwalk is actually bordered by wild blackberries. Here we go. There we go. I think they're quite sour. Let's find out. They're quite sour. Mandy said this is a mountain lion area. Thankfully, we haven't seen them since January of this year, but obviously, you know, you're up in the mountains. This is what you're going to see. As you can see, we have come up quite far. Mandy is down here on the stream trail, and we're up here on the Chaparral Loop, but it is very exposed, a lot warmer, and quite steep. So just bear that in mind.
It's pretty steep going down right here, but it looks like we've reached the summit now and we're about to go downhill. Here we go.
Do something kinda crazy.
Don't know how many times I say this, but do not run on the trail. I don't run. It does feel very bearish out here though. And now I'm alone, so let's keep going because he ran off.
Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I lived that.
We have come to the bottom of the Chaparral Loop. That's where we came from. Amanda stayed on the stream trail so she could get in that great shot of the limbo tree. We got to the bottom of that loop that we did, the Chaparral, that went over. And we asked Amanda, did you get the limbo tree? Yeah, got the limbo tree. Kevin, I want to go do the limbo tree. So now we're walking back up the stream trail to go and do the limbo tree ourselves. Let's check it out.
Make pictures look like postcards. I wanna go take a train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go
All right, guys, let's see if all this yoga paid off.
climb something high. Don't look down.
Limbo, limbo, ha ha ha. Limbo, ha ha ha. Let's not, because it goes up. That's not fair. Limbo, ha ha ha. Limbo. Oh, my hands!
High places, rushing like water on my face. With your hand in my head. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning. Kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go. With your hand in my head.
What a fantastic day. You can literally spend all day here.
There are miles and miles of trails that lead from here. Today ours was just under 3, but you can go up to 16.
We leave you today with what Oak Glen is famous for. We'll be back in the fall to do some apple picking.
From Kat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, we'll see you on the trail.